What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a percentage slider using input range and some JQuery. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for beginning the project, we need to create a HTML file. I'll be creating a HTML file by the name slider.html. So for the HTML code, I'll be using the boilerplate provided by our VS Code. So I'll just click tab so that I'll be getting the HTML template. So I'll be using slider website. So this is a slider website. So H1, I'll be using a title as slider website, or else I can just say welcome to slider website. So cool. Now I can just have a paragraph tag, and I'll be using an input tag which is going to be of range, and I can just use ID so that I can identify it by the name slider. So the input is ready. Now I need to add a span tag so that I can give the count, display the count of the percentage. So I'll be adding the ID as percentage. So that's going to be the HTML for us. So let's just preview this thing. So right click, open with live server. So here we are previewing this. So welcome to slider website, and I'm getting this input slider and 0%. So if I refresh this, I'm getting it in the center of the slider, but I don't need it in the center. I want it at the start of the slider. So for that, I can just add a value as 0. Now if I save this, it's going to go to the start of the slider. So now I can just do this as like this. So by default, input range is going to have a min value of 0 and the max value of 100. For knowing that, I'll be showing you in a minute once we get the jQuery. So yeah, so now I'm sorry, okay. So now I can just add the jQuery over here. So I can just go to Google, and I'll just go as jQuery CDN, and I'll be getting this one. So I can just get it from here, and I'll just paste that right over here so that I'll be getting this jQuery. So now I can just, all right, so now jQuery is being added to this. So I can just now use the jQuery in the script tag, and for initiating this jQuery, we need to use the document.ready function, and then so for testing purpose, we can just say as we'll just take the percentage. So hash percentage text, as we'll be saying that, okay, jQuery test. All right, now if I just save this, we can see the change over here. So save. So we got this from here. We didn't get it from the HTML because the HTML has 0%, but I'm changing it in jQuery. So that's how it's changed here. So I'll be removing this so that we can use the percentage for the slider, showing the slider. So now I can just say dollar hash slider. So I'll be getting the data from slider. So this ID is going to be used here. So slider dot on, so that every time it's on the property, we can just get that. So on what is the form action which we are getting. So on the input change, whenever the input is being changed, we'll be adding a function. So this is going to be the actual way to get the slider information while we scroll it from here to here like this. So now I can add the actual code over here. Now I mean the code to give the count up. So now I can just add dollar and I can just get the percentage, the span, the count up. So this percentage is this. So I'll be adding the text to the percentage. So dollar, but over here I'll be adding this property so that I'll be getting the value from this slider. I mean the input, the min and max values are the value. This value I'm going to get it from this, but not just this, but this dot val, which is going to be a method. So now I'll be getting it from there. And now I can just say save. Now this should work now. So if I just go in like this, I'm getting this slider. So uh, I guess I didn't add. Okay. So I'm just adding the value, so it's not giving me the percentage symbol. So I can just add it, hard code it right here, like this. So percentage. So now it's going to be showing me the percentage now. So 0, 1, 2. So 1, 2, like this. So 30, 50, so 70, 80. So as I've said, the default values of this input is going to be 0 as min, and the max is going to be 100. So as I've said, this is the values which we are going to get it from the range. And also I can just change this max value or the min value if I want. So I'll just change those values. Min is going to be about 20, and max is gonna be about something like 75. So if I save this thing, the minimum is going to be 20 and the max is going to be 75. So yeah, so by this code now, this is going to be 20 as the minimum and the 75 as the maximum value. So yeah, so this is how you make a input slider with a percentage, live percentage counter when you just change the value of the range. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos or any new tutorials. If you guys have any doubts or ideas or any queries, please let me know in the comment section below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.